Alrighty guys, we are officially in cooling season now. Welcome to cooling season 2024. And this dog is super annoying. Here is my Bryant running for the very first time in 2024. Very loud and very rough start. Coupling scroll. Mars fan motor. There's a hack job. 2012, 2.5 ton. July 2012. Already getting cold. The York has not ran yet. The train I just filmed. It's still running. I can't tell because of how freaking loud it is. Well, it's actually not as loud as it was when it first started up. It was I could hear this thing more than the train. That's how loud it is. It still has the buzz to it that when the last time it ran, which was last year in October, that is still going on. I think it's just developing that as it gets older. But yeah, I heard the compressor make kind of a noise, so yeah. It literally hasn't ran since the day I turned it off, or maybe one time in November, but that was it. It did not turn on any time after that until now. So yeah, this is not going to be a startup shutdown. Maybe next year I'll do a startup shutdown, but this year it's just going to be a startup and run. Hopefully this video does not go corrupt like it did last year. Oh my god, okay, yeah. Because last year it wasn't the first startup. That one went corrupt. So yeah. Yeah. Welcome to cooling season, guys. I'm not sure when the York's going to be running, but whenever it is, I'll make a video of it for the first time in 2024. So yeah. First video of cooling season 2024. Thank you for watching, and over and out.